This class is inspired by the Italian tradition, and it's all about an iconic symbol of the Italian culture, which is the tomato. So when we think about Italy, we think about food, we think about a big lunch around the table, a lot of people gathering together, and majority of time in our minds there is pasta on the table. You know, there is a very big plate of pasta. It might be a tomato sauce pasta, which we call pasta al pomodoro. And I think the tomato in here, it's a very, very beautiful material itself, and we are gonna use it as a visual tool, and also a material that brings people together, that brings a conversation on the table. Food for me, it's a very inspirational tool, because of course a lot of stories and a lot of tradition go around food, especially in my country, which is Italy. And there are a lot of historical methods of preparation of food and also of conservation of food. Especially when we think about tomato, there is a very beautiful tradition in the south of Italy that is something that you do at the end of summer in September, where you position the tomato in a very specific way and you hang them to conserve them during the winter time, because we have to remember that tomato is a specific ingredient belonging to summer. Of course, nowadays is a different story because we are able to provide ingredient all around the season. So what are we gonna do? We are gonna basically simulate a big pasta al pomodoro plate that is gonna be hanged, and it's gonna be done with wheat and with tomatoes. The best tomato pasta that I've had in my life is from my grandma, but the recipe got lost, so nobody knows actually how she made it. And for this kind of reason, we have the mission to tell the story behind tradition and to look on old methodology of cooking and on conserving ingredients, and to pass them through our generation and the next one.